chicken, crow's feet. I'm going to teach you the best Japanese Kobido massage. Let's begin the Kobido massage, a vital step for crow's feet. However, before we start, an essential note. We'll practice this for 6 to 8 weeks. 6 to 8 weeks. It is better to do skin and muscle activation, both in the morning and at night. The mornings help revitalizing the skin while aiding in muscle activation. To unwind in the evening, seeking some stability in the process. Don't forget, take a picture beforehand and another afterward. We'll also utilize it here. Oil and spoons. In the Kobido massage, a Japanese technique, the first exercise is truly fascinating. This initial step holds great interest and intrigue. The Kobido massage is designed to primarily strengthen the musculature and also reactivate, okay? That whole area. Remember, we will use 2 fingers and remain attentive. Oil, okay? What questions do you pose during videos? I'm clear. Okay? Right here. And then, let's begin from this point, alright? My physical being desires to move in this direction, yet it's drawing outward within this vicinity. Initially, we apply a small amount of pressure. Be cautious around the temples. Eyes open. Let's do this. Let's do it 15 times. Alright? And then another 15 after this. We'll do about 15 more repetitions, but remember to open wider and be cautious not to approach the eyes too closely and perform the repetitions a little faster. This is how it is, combining the first and second passes. Okay, so what do we do next after completing these circles? Just ensure to exercise caution if you observe excessive oil during the process. Make sure you have a convenient item like a small sheet of paper handy. Tidy up a bit in preparation for what we're about to do. Gently pinch the skin for a moment, okay? This will help to revive it. Okay, we'll do it now, keeping meaning close. Let's just shut our eyes for a moment. Alright? There, going outward. Do you understand? Utilize 2 fingers, observe, thumb and index. I am demonstrating the action. Reactivate. And at first you might think, oh, it's a bit tough. I can't quite manage. Okay? But start going faster. You'll see it improves. Notice. How long are we going to be here? Well, it should only take about a minute. We might also need to make a slight upward movement. And outwards. Upwards and outwards. Okay? Keep following upwards and outwards for about a minute or so, okay? Japanese Kobido technique. And also, what will this Kobido massage do? It will tighten the skin, improve circulation, and create a bit more collagen. Now, listen closely, because we're about to drain a little. How will we do this? Our index fingers are coated with a bit of oil, okay? We start. Be cautious while touching the area close to the tear duct. Take care not to disturb the oil. Understand? Excellent. Come with me. Look, we will begin from this point onwards and move towards the temples, but don't stay here. Please continue for a little while longer. Towards the ears, to the ear tip, going slightly into the hair, okay? Let's redo it. Right here, all around. Here is the bone, slightly below, but still in the vicinity. And from there you go higher. Journey. Okay? And once more. Okay? Let's stimulate. We are going to remove toxins too. And obviously, we will also drain. How long will this take? Just a minute. And we will continue with a massage that I personally find very pleasing and that the patients also enjoy when they experience it. I encourage you to give it a try as well, as it is designed for convenient home use. Trust me, it's absolutely fantastic. Index fingers, okay? Okay, come over here. See, you come here, okay? This is slightly above the bone, right here. And this will go up, okay? That's why it's called a lifting massage, right? Is it okay if I always use a small amount of oil? So every time I come here, I'm present and fully engaged. Take a look at what I'm doing, alright? There. Ideally, they should come together a bit, as I think they will. Higher. Okay? They come out together and higher. Okay? Notice. They're perfect, right? We are giving the skin a little stimulation. We are giving it some toning. And we're getting rid of the wrinkles, huh? The same on the other side. Sometimes one side is tougher than the other, I know. But once you've got it figured out, try it. How's it going for you? Good. See, we start at once. Boom. Okay? Over. Alright? Above the bone, and be careful not to touch the eye, huh? You have oil, okay? Here. How much time? Well, usually a minute or a little more, okay? Lifting massage. And we're going to keep going with this massage. Keep in mind that cold spoons can also help to open up a little. So let's go ahead and apply some oil, alright? Just remember that cold is usually effective in this case. We'll use 2 fingers, for example, here. If you want, we can set it here. More at the tip, huh? Be cautious, don't close your eyes just yet, although it will be necessary. However, before that, direct your gaze towards me. Look at what I'm going to do, okay? I put it here, close my eyes, sure. And I go up to my temples. Okay. This is really great, you can believe me. Huh? This is relaxing. And erase the wrinkles around the eyes of a crow. Is there a specific duration for our stay here? We will be here just a little while longer. That said, when you do this, don't you dare press on the eye, alright? Absolutely not. Be gentle and apply pressure when you begin to exit from the... Watch out at the temples, alright? It's refreshing, the sensation. Furthermore, refined girls who can gradually be eliminated, drainage, movement, circulation. It's a massage that also, I like it a lot. Now, leave the little spoons, take care a bit. Please open your eyes a little, alright? Be cautious when you open your eyes with the oil. It's important to note that after doing this, I've added just a tiny bit of oil to the tips. That's the reason. Although I can dry myself with my clean hands, it may be only a little effective. If not, make sure you have an absorbent cloth within reach, okay? Use it if needed, but don't forget. Keep in mind, use very little oil so it doesn't get in your eyes. Let's conclude with 2 acupuncture points that we will also combine to perform the last massage. The first point is called Shizukon, pendants for warming tripe. It's going to lower us a bit because a tripe warmer is essentially fire. Like something that, wake up because we will initiate a task, cut it a bit. And it is the bamboo. Let's explore the origin of music. Come with me and witness where music truly originates. Observe closely as we begin the journey, tracing the path with our keen eyes. Hear the rhythm, tiki 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 tiki. And there comes a moment when it seems like we stop, right? Like here at the ends, okay? Follow me a little here. At the eyebrows ends, there's a small gap. Got it? Don't push hard, just follow the brow. Pow, falling. The finger, huh? The finger is falling here. It's not quite the end of the eyebrow, but it's getting very close indeed. Okay? What should we do next? How about giving each other a little squeeze, softly? If you'd like, you can close your eyes as well. Okay? Squeeze a little, take a breath, and release. Stretch a little. Also, breathe in, let go. And as you are doing it, begin to create a little bit of circulation. Take a breath, let it out. And that's where we begin to go, alright? As previously mentioned, the sensation in our eyes shall diminish in intensity, okay? And it will also work with this muscle group. Now let's discuss the second point, which is the gallbladder 1, or tongsilio de water. Notice where it is, okay? Because it's going to specifically work on the eye wrinkles. Notice. Look here, come along. Let's carry on. Next, we trace the entire eyebrow. This part is slightly towards the periphery. Understood? We get here. And more or less as if you were here, okay? As if you were fine-tuning your eyes a bit. So we'll be at this particular location. Let's apply some pressure. Take a deep breath and release. Extend a bit. And again. Like before, 3 times. Let's start creating circles. 36 characters. Okay? Right there. Perfect, okay? Add a bit of pressure. But don't use your whole finger to press. Pay a little attention. We're going to be a bit technical with the fingertip, okay? Let's use the fingertip a bit. Try it there with the fingertip. That's it, stretch. There. Little circles. There. To conclude these 2 objectives, we will carry out a thorough massage incorporating both of them. It's going to be amazing. You'll see. Look, come here. We said we were following the eyebrows. We're at the point. Tick, 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 tick. Oops, we lower here. And we're going to connect it with the other one that's a little further here, okay? There and there. Good, we have it. Let's start with the eyebrows. That's right, and we return. We start with the eyebrows. And we go back. Okay? If you want to lean your elbows a bit. We'll do this for about a minute, using the 30 seconds of pressure from before and the 30 seconds from the other point. And it will be all the massages and techniques to get rid of. To help you see the details, let me demonstrate crow's feet from a side view. Its visibility will be improved. All right? We're over the eyebrows. Tick, 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 tick. We get here. We proceed to this side. We get to the other side. And we'll do it by doing the massage, following everything. There, upwards. And again. And you'll see how relaxing it can be. All right? That's great. My jaw is starting to feel less tense, resulting in a greater sense of relaxation. After these massages aimed at eliminating crow's feet, please remember that we also offer treatments for reducing bags under the eyes for a double chin, and you can look for these videos and many more on our YouTube channel. And as always, until recovery and more.